it spins out. That's going to let Brett, I believe, to the lead. Dylan to the breakaway. Oh, Dylan dives to the inside. It doesn't make it stick. Oh, he dives to the inside out by the double. Watch out for the full double. Watch out for the full double. Oh, man, final level, full double. It's clear. Not clear yet. Watch the full double. Full double. Clear. All right, Brett lead away. Oh, watch out for the double. The double, the double. Oh, man, Dylan is at the second. Down the key. Madison now. Oh, he just rolled it. Well, if you, oh God, I don't know if we're going to wait actually, but if you went blue car, gotta wait. Brett, Tim, Chris, Josh, Dylan, Zach, Cameron, and awesome. Remember, guys, if you wreck somebody, you have to wait. It's not all about, just be honest.
3 minutes left.
There you go. So Ramirez and Brett leading the way in both spots. Zach, Josh, Cameron, Eric, and Dylan. Tim is only 3 tenths behind that one spot. They are coming through the center double. Watch out for double, guys. Watch out for double. It's clear. Ooh, it's a tight battle for 1, 2, 3.
2 minutes left.
Watch out for the table topics. So, Eric, Brett, and Tim are all in a tight battle. Ooh, one of them gets it wrong. I do not know pink jobs, but that's going to put Tim up there in that 2 spot. Tim in that pink and white and blue. He's up in that 2 spot. Eric right in front of him. 1.2. I think they have the yellow truck in between. Yellow truck is in between the 1 and 2 battle. So Eric, Tim, Brett, Zach, Cameron, Eric, Dylan, Josh. So Tim, trying to reel in your first place driver. And closing 3 tenths. Watch the little double stay. Close driver stand. Close driver stand. Clear. 45 seconds.
45 seconds left.
So your leader. 1.3 seconds.
30 seconds left.
He's got about 1.3 on Brett. 3. Oh, Josh.
15 seconds left. 12, 9,
So, Eric and Tim looking to take the balls.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Ooh, Tim in the lead. I missed it, but Eric don't have a ball. Let's go put Tim into the lead.
Harris still. Josh Davis still. Zachary Fuller.
Oh! So, Tim